Hello my dear Framesi family, I hope you found you well. With this video I would love to introduce you to the Spring-Summer Collection 2020, and this time I choose one of the energy haircuts. Which one? This is Bucolika, a romantic girl with power. Follow me and you will see all the secrets of this haircut. These are the sections. So the first one is 2-3 centimeters above the trace line, the hairline. So it depends of the quantity of the hair and the shape of the head. So in this case I took 3 centimeters. I did a new U-shaped section. Then I started from here to 3 centimeters above the ear tip, passing through the crown area. In this case I passed over the occipital bone, and in the same case here on the crown area. Okay, and this was automatically there. I separated the vertex in the front, so I had my third section, and then as you can see from this corner I created my section in the front. So it's about, to give you an idea, it's almost finishing at the end of the eyebrow. At the end of the eyebrow I took my fringe section from the vortex to the end of the eyebrows. I have my fringe, it will become the fringe, and then automatically I have my triangle here, and the same on this side. We will start now. I will start and you will be my model today, and I will create this beautiful Bucolika haircut. You can see I created a triangle with the point on the neck, so like this, and this will be my guideline. I did it a little bit bigger to show you because on the video it's not so maybe clear to understand. I will use the razor so that my perimeter will be very soft. My guideline will be at the middle of the neck. So from now, I just separated these two to show you the triangle. I comb, natural fall, and my perimeter will be slightly longer in the front and soft. Working with the razor is for me very creative because it's like creating on the fabric a new dress. So it gives me more actually creativity to work with the razor, even though you have to keep it in the right way and make the cut really precise. So that's my neck. See? Slightly longer in the front on both sides. After I create my base, my perimeter, I comb my hair vertical, high degree. My guideline is over this one, and I do a deep point cut like this. Now with this section I will do the same with the same degree, except for the two on the side that I will transport it to the last one, so that I will not have the hole here. My last section, I stay here with my body, I just transport my hair and I cut. We do the same on both sides. Now I do my section in radial parts. So I'm gonna create my slice. Like that. You see? And now my fingers are in this position, and I do the chipping cut technique. So I'm taking my section in the front, and I will do the same on the other side. I will take as a guideline my length that I found here at the mastoid. Okay, this one. Okay, so to make it more clear, like that. So a natural fall with the razor. When I do this work, I don't cut like this, but I follow my line. Now I take this section, that it will be the same on this side. My guideline is the length I found on the vertex, radial sections, like this, and bring all of them to the vertex. To the vertex, and again I do my chipping cupcake. And I count all my sections to the first one. I do transport them with the chipping technique. Okay. The same on the other part. And now I take my last section. I do a triangle. A 3 cm triangle. I comb, I twist, at the nose bridge I cut, then I let fall down these 2 sections, and with the razor I create my line, starting from the last one, my section here, to the cheekbones. And the same here. Now I do my section to take off the excess. So, this is the final result, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, if she would be copper, she would be probably even better, but I don't have any color anymore in my house, so this is it. But it was made with love. My dear friend, take care of yourself, viva Framesi, and see you very soon. Goodbye!